Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you secure your WhatsApp with fingerprint lock. So to secure your WhatsApp with fingerprint lock, you need to follow these steps. Before you move on, make sure to update your application to the latest version. So here what you want to do is open your WhatsApp application and then click on the three dot icon from the top right and go to settings. So when you go to settings on this page, you want to click on security if you could find these options and click on account right over here. As you go to account section, what next you want to do is on this field you simply want to make sure to go ahead and look for these options or go to the privacy app lock section. So here it is, passkey. You could also click on enable two-factor authentication, after which you could go ahead and change the pin as well. And that is basically how you could secure a WhatsApp with fingerprint lock. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.